right, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about creating new objects. In JavaScript, an object is a collection of named values, and the named values are called properties. In this first example, you can set a constant variable equal to a new object. And then you can add values to the object by calling the variable.namedValue and setting it equal to the value. So to display the value stored in this object, you would use a $ curly bracket variable.namedValue within your console.log. So to just kind of show you an example, let's name a constant and let's call it about me. And we will set that equal to a new object. And then below here, we will say about me, and we'll say, let's call for my first name. We will set that equal to Lauren. And then below that, we will do about me dot title, and we will set that equal to graduate student. So then, to show that I am a graduate student, I will say console.log, and then I will print my name is, and so bringing in this $, about me dot first name, and I am a $, about me dot title. So then if we run this, you should get my name is Lauren and I am a graduate student. All right, so next we can simplify our new object by creating an object literal, which basically means that you can set a variable equal to a comma-separated list of named value pairs within curly braces. So what I mean here is we can change this constant to a var, and then set that equal to, set our curly braces, and then we will move this for our first name up into here, and instead of the equal sign, we will add a colon, and then a comma at the end, and then we will do the same thing for title. So move that up here, remove the equal sign, and then we can remove these down here as well. And then for the console.log, it'll be the same as the new object command, and so if we click run, you will still receive my name is Lauren and I am a graduate student. All right, so a third way to create a new object is by using a constructor. When creating an object with a constructor, you create a function with the named values in the parentheses of the variable. While executing, every function has a reference to its current execution context by using the this keyword. Then outside of the function, you would create a constant variable and assign it to a new object, and then insert all the values within the parentheses. When writing out the function, the new keyword turns the function call into a constructor call. So if we go back to our about me example, we will change this var into a function, and then we will have our about me, and let's remove the equal sign, and we will make it a parentheses. We will have first name and title. And then we will move these outside of it because we will need those later. And we will have the this dot first name is equal to first name, and then the this dot title is equal to title. Then outside of the function, we will create a new constant and we will call it me. And we'll create a new about me object. And since my first name is Lauren, we will move this to the first position, and then we will move graduate student to the second position. And then we can delete those. And then down here in your console, then you will call me instead of about me. And then if we run it, you will still receive my name is Lauren and I am a graduate student. The final example of how to create an object is by using a class. Creating objects with classes is very similar to constructors in that you create a class variable and then place a constructor with the name variables on the inside. Then you would create a new constant variable and assign it to a new object and insert the values within the parentheses. So if we go back to our About Me example, we will say class instead of function, and then we will remove these parentheses. And then on the inside, we will have a constructor. We will have the values of first, name, and title. And then inside the constructor will be your this statements. So we will move these on the inside. Let's clean this up. And then on the outside, you will have another constant, and we'll call it me. And then we'll have a new About Me created with Lauren and graduate student. And then to print this, we're going to change this just a little bit. So we'll add a quote here. Then we'll add a plus. And then we will remove the curly braces and we'll say me.firstname. And then we will add another plus with another curly brace or another quote. And then I am another quote, another plus sign, and then we will say me.title. And then if we run this, you will still receive my name is Lauren and I am a graduate student.